Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both phones so the transfer works smoothly. Once done, install an open phone clone on each device and immediately select which is the sender and which is the receiver. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and devices are near each other. Disable VPNs and put both screens awake. Grant the app permissions for storage, contacts, and camera so it can read and write data. These first steps get the connection ready and prevent permission errors later in the process. Once the devices are paired, you'll connect them via the QR code or the app's hotspot method. Choose whichever is faster for you. After pairing, tap the data categories you want to move: contacts, photos, apps, messages, and settings, and review app-specific prompts. You should keep both phones unlocked and on charge. This avoids interruptions. As files copy, watch the progress percentage and estimated time. If you selected many apps or a large photo library, expect a longer duration and let the transfer finish You finish by verifying that contacts, messages, photos, and apps arrived intact. Open a few items and launch key apps. Then re-log into accounts that require credentials and restore any app data if prompted. Remove temporary files or duplicates and uninstall Phone Clone if you don't need it anymore. If something goes wrong, try a quick fix. Restart the app on both phones, toggle Wi-Fi, or switch to the sender's hotspot connection, and then resume. That single troubleshooting step resolves most interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.